too happy for the leak. So I must happy for the leak. Every day I still come a fridge shop and tell them say, one thing with me, I take idiot boy, I take a boy for put me in a my place because I ever out of my place. Me not hide and talk. Me always take a boy for put me in a my place. Me wayward. Me come with a compass. You see me at east, then me end up at north. Yes, when you're going like you're a bad girl some of the times, this is what reaches you in the vicinity of halfway through. Yeah. The whole of that kick up on a thinking mode, pandis and a laugh off on a nasty teeth. All of the pandis and laugh off on a dirty mouth. You can't laugh off of me? You can't laugh off of me. Oh, I don't care what you want to say. I care zero what you want to say. If I don't want to do it, I'm alright. I don't have no qualms, no problems. It's a nah-look box I get across my face. It's a nah-look box. It's a nah-look box I get and I should hold my eye, else me da grab him. Me da grab him. Me da grab him. Me da grab him. Grab him. Oh, but it's a nah look box me get across my face. Never tell no lie. Never tell no lie. Me da grab him. Yeah. When me recover, ask me how it end. Oh, this year I got left 25 now. For what? And this a mine over matter. This a mine over matter. For what? If Maya not left TJ, then home for left 25. It's not fair. When I go to Maya, I tell her for left TJ. Eh? See, baby, what? Mine over matter. Me not get no rest last night. I don't sleep, you know. I don't sleep. I don't sleep. Come put it down back here because you're too fast. When you just a laugh off on a dirty teeth, you're not too fast, man. And mine over matter. When you not ask me how it end, when you not ask me how the night end, when you never dare ask me that I had one man, it's like coming in my prime. Yeah. When you not ask me how the night end. Of course. I'm not stop love bad man. I'm just glad it's not the gun angle I'm using in my face. I'm just glad. Yeah. How did the night end? I not ask you because I get back my lick. I get back my lick. I get my nala lick. I slap him with a buckle. I don't know which part it licking, but me hear kum. Me hear kum. Yeah, I slap him with a buckle. Only thing me use kum. I don't know it catch him. I use Visine. Oh. Annie 2.0. Then I what kind of batty man that Annie have in the water with her. She not afraid him swim leave her. Then Annie walk and take everything. And when Annie done share expose Yankee. You know Annie like my kind. Annie like my kind, you know. But now tell no lie. Then it's all for good. So I feel say Annie live near one nursing home or a mad house. Annie just go in there and take out the patient. I like me I tell me feel say Annie live rich by one mad house there. What you mean you can't focus? Your man never beat you yet, girl? When man beat you, them want you. When you see one thing pan girl face, you for just applaud it. My man want me, some man not care about you. Oh. Some man not care about you. You know see how Queenie available for Shebada and Queenie want she. Yeah. Rather she want Jaden and him woman. Touch threesome. Yeah. Oh, what you mean put on back the glasses? What you mean put on back the glasses that your girl now wear panty? Eh? Then when me can't tell if you put on no my love. No sir. Me now put on no glasses. Me no want nobody come bust the story. Me want bust the story myself. Me not put on no glasses. Shimmy with the black eye. Yeah. And my man do it. You laugh till the dentures drop out. Then welcome to polygrip. Then all you know staple down your biters. So you know staple down your biters. Suppose you have dumpling in your mouth now. Or which should that choke you? The dentures are the dumpling. No girl can do this. No girl can do this. No girl. It has to be a boy. B-O-S. Yeah. Me and him fight last night, man. We fight fist to fist until right now him swell up. I tell him say I want peace and tranquilizer. So he can go back to his mother now. When him gone, I go miss him. Because it's true, you used to having people around you. That's why Maya not put out TJ. But imagine, Maya said TJ would expose and him have baby mother allegedly. And Maya and him moving together till TJ by all couch. That's love. That's love and determination. That is love. That's why I'm in a business with girl and them man. And I don't want nobody business with me and 25. No care with 25 do me. I don't want none open on the thinking mouth and say nothing. Oh. I him for do me. Yeah. I him for do me. I him for do me. Tina get through with I can take the last name Turner. My mate can't get the boy last name. She walk away with just last name. So on to that. What happened to you? My man beat me. My man beat me. My man batter me last night. Batter me. When you're not, but you know me not hide nothing. You know me not hide nothing. That was the dirty line here. Yeah. Me and my man fight last night. Fight. I stand up on him, I fight him. I could have come out of the fight without a scratch. The boy would have to pinch me. Remember a bad man me I take. The boy would have to pinch me. You ask who win. We can't tell who win between man and woman. Or if I tell who win between man and woman, you want like a stranger and me fight for me I count the lick them when me I give them. How will them I give me? You ask me who win the fight. All this is carelessness. Then you can see man and woman and war and ask who win the fight. Oh my God, at that time I'm going to get antibiotic. I don't know why them give me antibiotic for eye. Why them never give me carrot or glasses. Oh, the boy if you kick me in my eye. Me and you ever whole argument yet so me I take Jackie Chan? Me just want to know if a Bruce Lee I have in my body. Oh, the boy if you kick me in my eye. Sometimes my arm scratch my face. I wonder if he do something to my arm. Because from the other day, I don't smell my odor, you know. I owe this bowl fish. Then what you doing at the aquarium? He's a fisherman. He's a fisherman. You know me is your appetite. What you doing at the aquarium? And that I want to know. The relationship over now. Big crutches even move your nasty self from your sangwe. Oh, you mean relationship over? Hey girl, I saw not have an eye on people, man, the same way I have my eye on TJ about it. Look here. Look here. I never want the truth come out, you know. And the truth I never want come out, you know. Hey girl, you make me attack things so I'm not ready for, you know. Oh, Jaden film in my eye and him could lick the scent out and bathroom or drop from Shay. Oh, Jaden for lick me in my eye now. And when Shay used him bathroom, him couldn't beat the scent out of it. Jaden could have lick me in my eye. Jaden favor coming a stick. Yeah. So I don't know where I try to say. Me and my man fight. Me don't want nobody come in and come ask me what wrong with my eye. Me and my man fight. Me and my man fight. Me and my lover just always a fight. Everything in the things alright. Me and my man fight. I want. Should be good day. Me need no good day now. Me need no good day. Yeah. Thank you, yeah, I had. And the funny part about life, when me and him fighting, the boy with a native guy in yard. The boy with a native guy in yard. Me don't know where I watch my crutches, fam. Me don't know where I watch my crutches, fam. Yeah. Man mascot, Shebada, so I'm to that. Somehow got to be somebody's clown. You know, I'm not too fast. I'm not too fast or slow. It doesn't let go. A shame. And it's all because of you. It's just another sad love song rocking my brain like crazy. Me will take the man, Shebada. Which man you will take? Which man you will take? Yeah? Which man you will take? But I always tell them to say, a bad man me take wouldn't believe me. My man want me. My man want me. I said last night when the boy give me the licking on my eye, me not in the light, me say heaven. I saw heaven, yeah. Heaven shining on me. Me never saw so much stars in the galaxy. Me get a rotted lick, you see. And it's not like me get a nah-look lick, you know. Me get a rotted lick. It stunned me discover. It stunned me. Me get very dramatic. You was cheating. Me not think me did that cheat. Me not think me did that cheat. Cause when me a cheating or something in my eye, in my mouth. I just simple conversation. And me get a rotted lick. Simple conversation. The boy did really want me. The boy really want me. The boy really want me. It's true. No. The boy really want me. Get a now look like the boy say, you know, say a bad man. Me never say a bad man, me deal with him say, you know, say a bad man a grind you, but a grind him use the other word, the outer other word him use. Me did a wine and I call out Jaden name. Then after Jaden can't make me feel nothing. Jaden can't make me feel nothing. Look how much people Jaden lose on the app. You that think of that. The amount of relationship with Jaden up on the app and none the last but me and him. Yeah, and me and him alone are the longest, you know. Yeah. Well, I forgot be 25. No, leave him, my man. At the end of the day, my man, after him never blind me. Him never blind me, my man. And my man, at the end of the day, is my... Then it's also Rosalie shaped like beetroot. Them say Rosalie birthday suit no look good. Me just come out of the birthday argument and the suit argument, you know. But them say Rosalie, me never tell a lie this. Them say me no want chat the child. But them say she never look good. Me no know wait I go take for them say Rosalie look good. What is it going to take? Eh? Me see pan CVM, you must CVM Lord Jesus, come here call up CVM name. Me see pan TikTok say Rosalie, them put Rosalie beside beetroot. Me just shake my head. Me just say people wicked in this lifetime, you know. Man heart wax wicked, you know. Man heart wax cold. Some see there somebody said the 8 towards her is real. I'm glad me have no 8 towards her, me have 12. Cause after 8 come 9, 10, 11. Me have gear space. Me have 12. Yeah. But only for the child t-shirt. They got for the child t-shirt now, man. Good God. Good God. Then what are we them say, oh, Rosalie by herself the birthday gift and make Akeem present it to her. Like, I can't take the mix up on my eye hurt, man. I will painkiller them there. Yes. My man beat me. She be said, boy, almost blind her. She have Akin brother in a double bed. What kind of nasty life I go? And I can't bother follow up Rosalie's story. I too mix up. Too much people in a Rosalie series. I can't bother follow up Rosalie's story. Yeah. Happy Sabbath to you, to Jess. Why 25 do it? I'm a man. Shalisa, my man. My man supposed to thumb me in my eye, pat up my eye. I'm glad him never bust my lip because my mouth big already. Can you imagine how me that talk like surgery? You don't think me a Donald Duck? Yeah. Yeah. You can imagine? I kinda like it, you know. I kinda like it. Yeah, I kinda like it. But I tell him say next time don't let me in my face because I have to use my face. I tell him say next time don't do my face, better him do my from my neck go down. Yeah, him can play with from my neck go down, but I tell him say my face now. Of course I must turn my on. Me da look batch. I would look batch, me da look patch. You that thing, say me there one tire shop. Yeah, battery is my thing. Eh? Somebody say makeup. Which makeup? This is breakup. After me and him now go back together. Me and him now go back together. Me and him done with. I will report my life. Why them dirty people ain't gonna lay down? Why not go wash on the foot and go lay down in the sun at? Make we go for him. Me in the bed. Me when you make me the police, me go call for take him out because sometimes some man don't want to leave your place. Yeah. Sometimes some man don't want to leave your place. Every time him see me about, babes, I'm sorry. I say don't tell me, tell she. And me and him no friend. Of course, I tell him say I love the boy, I love me because him saw a message in my phone and him just get irritated. And then show me it under the NSA. Me just a fly off my mouth, not realizing say it's not the phone me depend. I talk some things out of my mouth to see people. And when me get the leak, I realize them in the presence. Yeah, and when me get the leak, I realize them in the presence. What? What? You ever hear them say the Holy Spirit slap you down? Me say when me get the leak, I saw the sun, the moon, the mountains and the river. I saw heaven when I make sweet love to you. Too cute. Yeah. Discover say June Doom. I really June Doom. Oh, you mean I no love? Oh, you mean I no love? Do not hypocrite from my program. My heart break by the body of TJ. My heart is broken, which we would believe. I don't think so though. And you are gonna tell me, say, it's not like say 25 something did out a door and 25 something I call upon the next girl. It's my something he saw in a text to another man. That is how comes I get the left hand. So me no want you come send nothing to me. Me no want you talk to me. Let me wear my beating with pride and ambition. Him and heavy and him slim. Him and heavy and him slim. Remember him walk with magazine. Not the ones to read, but the ones to eat. Yes, him and half heavy. Every day him have him dumbbell. Every day him have him dumbbell. Him and supposed to heavy for a slim boy. What do you? Where you say? Talk out to you now. Now. What you mean blink 3 times? You know, say today me a pirate. Me don't know if it's off the Caribbean or off what. But Miss Pirate. Me don't know if Miss Pirate of the Caribbean or pirate like she. You know, informer? Yeah. Love is love and love is lovely. Put on back the glasses. Even go on, man. What you mean put on back the glasses? It better me tell upon me than you tell upon me. Thank you, Shalisha. Thank you. You look like you send me gift card. You look like you're happy for my eyes still. Shalisha, man, you happy for me, you know. Man, you happy for the boy hit me. Where you really depend? Because right now, I want to wrap up anything, you know. I'm happy, you're happy, so the boy beat me, you're happy, say, me and the boy I live good. You never know, say, man still what? You never know, say, man still what? You stop take, man. What you mean when my eye looks swollen? So when my eye not swell, if it get leak, what do that? Look, come here. Come here. When you get leak, you not puff. Me just ask you a question. Hillbilly. When you get lick, you not puff. Remember me tender, man pengele. Who this I call my man pengele? You're too happy for the leak. So me no must happy for the leak. Every day me still come a free shop and tell them say, man with me, me not take idiot boy, me take a boy for put me in my place because me ever out of my place. Me not hide and talk. Me always take a boy for put me in my place. Me wayward. Me come with a compass. You see me at east, then me end up at north. How me southwest? Answer. Me not understand. Thank you, Shalisa, Shalithia, Shalisha, Shalisha, Shalisha. You know, said, don't sneeze on my friend, you know. Yeah. Live it up. We're living it up. Yeah. Simply Bliss. Me did for send you one voice note the other day, you know. Me don't know for last night. Then Simply Bliss come here with the hypocrite self. Come here with the hypocrite self. Me don't know how my hypocrite moderator must over TikTok liar. I shower down TikTok liar live. I send TikTok liar the whole of the gift them. Me say last night when I saw you sending the gift them to TikTok, I cry. I cry. I say when you see the hypocrite them, you know them. I cry. Yes, if I did ever know the Wobia man when know Rosalie, I would have asked Rosalie to make me know the Wobia man when know she and Akeem. I will leave for Wobia that, you know. You know. Me said, Simply Bliss, me go block you. No longer than today, me go block you. Me tell you, say, me now, look how much things me and you chat about liar. Look how much things me and you chat about liar. Me can't believe say you over. She. He's a little she. He's a little she. Me you talk a lot of bag of things about liar. And when I see it over there, I say, wow, 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 wow. The level of hypocrisy behind my back, in front of my face and in my vision. It's you make me and my man kick off last night. It's you come and kiss my teeth and go and chat to a boy if he gets to him dead. Just to own my bad mind, I'm paranoid. When I saw the happenings over there, yes, I'm not lying, a piece of bad mind crept up in me. And when it crept, I tried to hide it. It got the best of me. It got the best of me. What happened to your eye? The same thing when your man did beat you. The same thing when you don't want a girl come in and come question me about what happened to my eye. Ask me what happened to my nose. Me I do it. I want a Pinocchio look. Yeah. Me don't want nobody come in and come question me. Chuck Bass 25 batter. Me never bother call to him. I take back my calling to. Yeah. You never beat him back. I'm for beat back my man. I'm for beat back my man. You go like it's a boy out the road. I'm for beat back my man. When your man lick you, all that. Don't know. Yeah. Cause you don't know where I'm gonna lick you. You don't know where I'm gonna lick you, so you have to go and practice your dance. Yeah. One Franklin Town. Yeah. Cause you don't know where your man gonna lick you. Sometimes when them over you and they hey girl, you know, and so you know him and nimble. I say, but me not say no. Yeah. You gotta get licked from all angles. All angles. Simply Bliss, now send me nothing. Now send me nothing, Simply Bliss. Remember my up you and liar. Remember. Yeah. But until what happened, purely can't get. Purely, yeah. Borderline. Big up yourself. Moi. Yeah, my man beat me, moi. My man beat me, lick me in my oil. My man beat me. Me and him fight last night when we get the licking and the pass in the war. Cause true that was the starting of the war. I say when we get the now look licking in my eye. When we get the now look lick me, I wonder how me I go look to that. That's why I come and salute in I come there wait pan the eye for go down. But it look like me should have comb out the blackness like icky. It look like me should have comb out the batter, you know. But me never want to comb it out and it go land right here so up on my lip. Cause sometimes you comb out icky, you know which part icky go. She I go rejoice. She's supposed to rejoice. Remember Queenie can't beat she. Remember she had the man and go like a woman. Remember she is the man and go like a she had the girl. And she the only man missing in the sodomite relationship or we bust down. Yeah. So what you do after? Him just cuddle me in the bed. When we done cuss and I got beard and everything, him just cuddle me in the bed and you know what I'm after. But I still not talk to him. I don't know what I'm after. I still not talk to him. Even though I did nice, I still not talk to him. He can't do him stuff. Him can't do him stuff. I still not talk to him. You know, we just take it and we take it with a vexed face. But deep down inside, we are supernaturally happy. One thing I can put on two of them eye patch, yeah? One thing I can put on an eye patch, eh? One thing I can put on an eye patch, them? But I don't know if I put on an eye patch. It's easy. Well, when my eye dry down, I put on the eye patch them. When my eye dry down, so everybody out there who say no man no want me, let me tell you this. Man need me. Keep me want everybody out there who say no man no want me, no wanna see the evidence. All I wanna love talk say, me not have no man. Lie from the pit of hell, lies. Do you know where they're coming from? Yeah, my eye, my nah lie. My eye hurt me. You know, say God is a good God. Come here, people. God is a good God. Honestly to God. God is an awesome God. Me say people no out here trouble me, you know. And me say people, me get a piece of healing. Me get a piece of healing. Watch ya. You see, that's why sometimes it's not good for my people, you know. I get a piece of healing a while ago. Look how the whole of did that chastise me. Mighty God of Daniel. Oh, Savior divine. You can imagine what would have meant for bad turn out to be good. Oh Lord, me say, and while ago my eyes were palpating. Healing is the children's bread. Look at it. Look at it. Oh, you mean a Shana Chin Obia catch me? After me, a Shana Chin never used to share Teely. Eh? If Gollybop never dead in time, maybe me would have stand a chance. But Gollybop dead before time. On the Sabbath day, the Lord will heal. He'll do it again. Yes, Lord. He'll do it again. Just take a look at where you are now and where you have been. Hasn't He always come through for you? He's the same now as then. You see, all I did eat me. And I mock me. Ali, now run up your dirty mouth now, Ali. See the healing, yeah. Way of no man, me get my vision. No man, come let me can't see further. 25! 25, nobody leave. Link me to the next one. Link me to the next one, cause the one you have seen the things before the one here. Yeah, like one of my eyes seen in the future. Yeah. They not so beaten the nice. One of my eyes are sitting in the future. And the next one depend delay. Catch up. And now me not gonna left him. The boy have miracle in him and how much I want can talk about phone man so. The boy have a piece of miracle. Bobby, Eagle, where you shake your dirty head for? Your ear want wash. Cowboy been in your ear, Bobby. Cowboy been in your ear. Sharon bless what man. You know me not too in you in about go on. My big up yourself. Sharon bless you, walk and borrow clothes. I true you are my F1 principal, you know. I do one class, you know, Sharon. Yeah, my man did beat me a while ago, but him not bad. Him not bad. Breads, me not even could have soon. Me tell you, say the eye never did a function. Look at me as soon now. Aye, kept it. Then me say, Annie. In a water, wash off the people them son. The internet heavy, you see, man. I see a piece of heaviness upon the internet. I don't know what to do and I don't know where to turn. Yeah. The internet heavy. So when I see Annie near water and the boy in a underpants and I move like me. I wonder if Annie just tired for take the regular things then so she has style it up. And that me I wonder, and then Annie look like Jesus Savior. Me I tell her say nature not come with no vision, you know. Nature not have no eyesight, you know. Then you can imagine if nature did have eye. Just judge if nature did have eye. Maybe she wants something different. Then Annie no fit sit down and call people batty man. Because them girl you normalize them pum pum to do. Them girl still normalize them vagina to DD. Ali, no, but another Ali, no for true. She be my husband. Then me never know say testosterone in me. Then me never know say testosterone in me. Me as my husband. Then this is new. He's a prophet. There's a man in me. It's who this? It's who this? Don't come from the program, come call me your husband. Who said that it's a prank? Don't come from this, come call me your husband. Don't put no gender upon me when you fit me. That is too masculine. Yeah, the head cornerstone, but you're not sensible. Then go see ya look me and me decide say yeah. And when grinding time come, the two we are open up in the bed. The two we are open up, how we are to breeze out. Yeah, she be my wife is much better. Cause me go want open up, me go want do what me used to, you know, my love. You not change my religion. Me go want do what me used to. Say two we go just go and breeze out when a nature time. Me no want them joke to my baby. No come for my program, come call me your husband. The devil is a liar. The devil is a liar. Me not play them game there. Yeah. Oh, she be your husband. She be my wife. Them name they fit me. Mine 25 year. Him for year. Him for year. People me I go leave on, you know. Yes, my love, me I go leave on. One boy I carry me out. One boy I carry me out. Go eat lunch. Hello. Lunch. L-O unch. Unch, O-U-N-C-H. L-O-O-U-N-C-H. In my car, I go buy lunch. So I go eat something stick in the Friday, in the Saturday, yeah. So people, me I come back on later. When then dummy really there prison. Then if dummy there prison, Swissley now go look for him. Then Swissley and World Dog, they do all World Dog supposed to stay one side with the Yannick problem I laugh. Eh? Then not help him out. Then dummy really gonna prison. People my love on here, like come more. My love on later. I will be with you guys in a jiffy.